All right, one final problem in this set. Here, we will take a look at what the denominators are, 3, 5, and 15, and find out what is the common denominator. Well, the common denominator of 3, 5, and 15 is 15. The smallest number is 15. The smallest multiple is 15 for all of them. So what we will do is we are going to multiply by that 15 both sides, okay? And you're going to see what happens in a second. That 15 is the common denominator, or the common multiple of the denominators, and so we are going to multiply by 15 both sides. Before anything can change, what we first need to do is we need to distribute this by saying I need to take 15 times this, and then 15 times this equals all of this. Okay, that looks like this. And then what happens here? Well, I didn't draw all over the problem because I wanted you to see it nice and neatly, but watch what's going to happen here. Okay, the reason why we picked 15 is because that will perfectly cancel out both this 3 here and this 5 here and this 15 here. Okay, if we cancel this 3 out, dividing this by 3, it makes 1. And we divide this by 3, we get 5. Now that there's a 1 on the bottom, just this 5 times this 2 is 10. That turns into just simply 10. Okay? And you can see that here if I was to pull that down. Okay? I don't want to reveal the rest yet. I want to just talk about it. This 5 and this 15 can be divided by exactly this denominator 5. 5 divided by 5 goes away to give you a 1 on the bottom, which will result in a whole number coefficient for m. Okay, divide this by 5, divide this by 5, this becomes 3. So 3 times 3m is 9m. Okay, so we have 10 plus 9m, and these cancel out to be equal to just 31. So we have 10 plus 9m equals. Okay, what do we do next? Well, we need to undo this. We're solving like a two-step equation now. That's all that we have left is the 2 steps. We undo this plus 10 with a minus 10 on both sides. Oops. So we rewrite what we already have there, 10 plus 9m, and then we add minus 10. We add what we already had there, 31 minus 10. Okay, now we're combining like terms. What do we combine? Remember, the 10 and the minus 10, the whole point of this minus 10 is to undo this, so those go away, leaving you just 9m, and these combine to be 21. So we get 9m equals 21. What's happening to the variable finally is it's being multiplied by 9, and so we undo that with divided by 9 on both sides. Okay, and this becomes 1m or just m, and this can be simplified top and bottom by dividing by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we are left with m equals 7/3. And I'm not sure if I said, let me just, in case I didn't say that right, what I meant to say was 21 divided by 3 is 7. I'm not sure I said 7. I felt like I might have said 9 there. So 7/3. Anyway, we need to do a proof for that. So let's say proof. What do we write first? We write the original equation unchanged. Okay. Now we put parentheses where the m is. We write everything else the same. And notice because there's a fraction inside a fraction, right? Just in the numerator, I've written it small on a single line. Nice and neat. Okay. And you're allowed to write a fraction on a single line as long as you're nice and neat. But it shouldn't be hanging over the blue lines or anything like that. Okay. Now, what do we do here? Well, this part here, then, 7 is being divided by 3, right? 7/3. And then times 3, those parts will cancel out and leave you just with a 7. So what you get as a result, still you have 2/3, then plus, this becomes just 7 on top, fifths, equals 31/15. Okay? Now, in order to add 2 fractions together, we need to add these together. We need a common denominator. So we need to rewrite these both so that they have the common denominator of, remember what we were talking about, the common denominator is 15. So we need to rewrite these so that they have 15 as the denominator. So doing that, right, 3 times 5 would give you the 15, so 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. 5 times what gives you 15? 5 times 3. So 7 times 3, 21. Now that they're all 15ths, we can just say these are 15ths, so now we have 10 of them, plus another 21 of them. What's 10 plus 21? That's 31. And they're still 15ths. And that's what was on this right-hand side. Sorry, moving down is 31 15ths. So 31 15ths equals 31 15ths.